Guppy fish, scientifically known as Poecilia reticulata, are one of the most popular and easily recognizable freshwater aquarium fish. Known for their vibrant colors, small size, and ease of care, they are ideal for both novice and experienced fish enthusiasts. Growth and size requirements. Guppy fish are small, growing to a length of around 1.5 to 2.5 inches when fully mature. The males tend to be smaller and more colorful, while females are larger and less colorful. They generally grow at a steady rate and can reach their full size within 3 to 6 months. Although their size is modest, guppies need a well-maintained environment to thrive. Their growth is dependent on factors such as water quality, food availability, and the size of the tank. They are best suited for smaller to medium-sized aquariums, with a minimum tank size of 10 gallons for a small group of guppies. Water type and environmental needs. Guppy fish are adaptable to a wide range of water conditions, but they thrive best in slightly alkaline water with a pH between 7.0 and 8.2. The water temperature should ideally be between 72 degrees Fahrenheit to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, and they prefer a moderate water current. Guppies are not particularly sensitive to water hardness, but consistent water quality is essential for their health. Regular water changes are necessary to maintain a clean environment. They are best housed in aquariums that offer a mix of open swimming areas and places to hide, such as plants or rocks, to mimic their natural habitat. Feeding and maintenance. Guppies are omnivores, meaning they will consume both plant-based and protein-based foods. A balanced diet for guppies includes high-quality flake or pellet food, supplemented with live or frozen foods like brine shrimp, daphnia, and bloodworms. It's important to avoid overfeeding, as uneaten food can degrade water quality. In terms of maintenance, guppies are relatively low-maintenance fish. Regular water changes, tank cleaning, and monitoring of water parameters are necessary to prevent diseases and ensure their well-being. Temperament and compatibility. Guppies are peaceful and active fish that generally do well in community tanks with other non-aggressive species. They are social creatures and thrive in groups, so it's best to keep them in schools of at least 5 to 6 individuals. Male guppies are particularly social and may display colorful courtship behaviors. However, males can be territorial, especially if there are too many in the tank, so it's advisable to have more females than males to reduce any aggression. Guppies are compatible with other small, peaceful fish, such as tetras, mollies, and corydoras catfish. However, they should be kept away from aggressive species that may nip at their fins. Breeding and reproduction. Guppies are live bearers, meaning they give birth to live young rather than laying eggs. Breeding guppies is straightforward as they breed readily in most aquarium settings. Price and lifespan. Guppies are relatively inexpensive compared to other ornamental fish. On average, they can cost anywhere from $1 to $5 per fish, though rare or specially bred varieties may cost more. Guppies have a relatively short lifespan, typically living 2 to 3 years in a well-maintained aquarium.